going on, guys? Finally got a skid loader. Finally got a little bit of help. So it's not a big one. It's not the smallest, but it is something to help me out. So it's a Mustang 320. Yeah, it's a decent size for my first one. You know, I've used it a few times, help load some stuff up. So there's things that need to be fixed. Some of the cylinders, I think the cylinder on that side needs to be rebuilt. It is leaking a little bit of stuff, a little bit of hydraulic fluid on the one side. So yeah, that cylinder on that side needs to be rebuilt. I think new seals. It's leaking a little bit of fluid. So it's got a Kohler engine in it, which I had a guy look at it because I'm not too familiar with these. Come on. Okay. So yeah, I had a guy look at it. It was leaking fluid around the valve covers, and so he looked at the rod and some of the valves and stuff, and fixed a few things. There was a bolt in there that was stripped, and he got new valve covers and some new bolts, and I think it helped. But I am having some fluid still, but I dumped some oil in there and spilled it all over the place. So yeah, it's a work in progress. It's something. I got it pretty cheap, so I don't mind putting a little money in it as long as I'm not dumping everything I have into it. I've used it to move some of these logs over from over there, just scoop them up and move them. That way I'm not just breaking my back all the time. So yeah, as you can see, this wood's going pretty quick. So I still got the pile over here. This is still piled up, but definitely wearing that side down. So yeah, pretty excited to have this. Hopefully we can get all the kinks worked out of it. Definitely need a new tire, but all the other tires seem to be all right. So just use this tire until it's pretty much dead in the water. It has got a nice little crack across it, so I'm sure this thing's gonna go soon. But overall, time will tell. Like I said, it's how long the things will last. It's the longevity of things. That's what I'm more concerned with. So hopefully this thing's last me a while, and if I upgrade to something bigger, I can sell this and get my money back from it. I don't want to sell it with it not running or something else going wrong with it. So yeah, short and simple video. So yeah, guys, short and simple video. Just wanted to show you guys my new loader. And yeah, there's a hole down here. I'm gonna put this to help move all my splitters around. Instead of hooking up my truck all the time, I'm just gonna use this and move them around. So yeah, things are looking up here in my wood yard.